Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. We start with daily maintenance. At the beginning of the day, we need to perform a printhead cleaning and then print a nozzle test. First, let's clean the printheads. On our controller, go to Clean to Head All and click Clean Normal. Once the cleaning is complete, proceed with the nozzle test. Click Adjust, Nozzle Check, and then Print Adjust. If the nozzle test is missing any color lines, it means it's incomplete, and you'll need to repeat the printhead cleaning, but this time choose Clean Strong. Now for end-of-day maintenance. Repeat the printhead cleaning. On the controller, go to Clean to Head All and click Clean Normal. Once the cleaning is complete, proceed with the nozzle test. Click Adjust, Nozzle Check, and then Print Adjust. If the nozzle test is missing any color lines, repeat the printhead cleaning, choosing Clean Strong. Next, let's clean the capping and the wiper. To access them, move the printhead carriage to the center by pressing the left arrow on the panel. Using a cotton swab dipped in cleaner, clean the wiper and the capping stations. Carefully refill the capping stations with cleaner and recenter the printhead carriage by pressing the Enter button. Weekly maintenance. We'll clean the encoder. Using a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol, carefully clean the encoder. Let's clean the underside of the printhead plate. Move the printhead carriage to the far end and open the cover to access it. Using a cotton swab dipped in cleaner, clean the underside of the printhead plate. Be careful not to touch the printhead, as the plate's underside may have dried ink that must not come into contact with the printhead. Ensure the entire base is clean and free of loose debris. Quarterly maintenance. We'll lubricate the printhead carriage guide. Using a cotton swab with lubricant, carefully grease the guide. Semi-annual maintenance. We'll replace the white ink and color dampers. First, center the printhead carriage manually and remove the screws to access the dampers. Clamp the tubes to prevent ink leakage. Attach the new dampers to the tubes. Repeat the process with the color dampers, replacing the old ones with new ones. Once the damper is connected to the tube, release the clamp and use a syringe to remove air and discard excess ink. Repeat this process for all the color dampers, then for the white ink dampers. After replacing all the dampers, screw the white ink distributor back into place and reattach the printhead carriage covers. Next, we'll replace the wiper. Unscrew the wiper from its base. Remove it, and take out the remaining screws. Insert the new wiper, screw it in place, and reattach it to the base. Now let's replace the ink filters. Unscrew the screws and remove the metal plate behind the waste ink bottle. Clamp the tube to block the ink flow. Lift the ink tube and cut it. Take precautions, as there may be minor ink spillage. Insert the new ink filter into the tubes. Once the replacement is complete, release the clamp to restore ink flow. Repeat the process for the remaining filters. Reattach the cover, screw it back in place, and position the waste ink bottle. Annual maintenance. We'll replace the capping stations. Remove the screws securing the capping base. Disconnect the tubes and cut their ends. Reattach the tubes to the new capping stations and place them in position. Once aligned, screw them in place. Repeat this process for the other capping station. Now we'll replace the circulation pump tubes. Loosen and remove the pump. Before cutting the tubes, take precautions to keep the tube openings facing upward. Remove the gears and the tube. Open the clamps and disconnect the tube's end. Replace the tube and reassemble all the components. Firmly press the locking clip. Position the tube and install the gears. Rotate left and right while pressing until you hear a click, indicating the installation is complete. Reconnect the circulation pump to the tubes and position it correctly.